Good morning, everyone. We're going to be taking and working today on Sight Reading Factory as far as taking and doing an exercise. Now, I'm going to take away a couple choices that you had before. I'm going to choose the time signature and I'm going to choose the key signature today. You are going to still be able to choose which level you want to do, and you can keep refreshing. I want one of those attempts to be taken and submitted to me via Music First, and we will take and look at it more down the road. Again, things are not going to be graded real harshly, but I do want to take and start putting some structure in this. I want to start using this, and we're going to have a once a week assignment here on Music First. So please let me know if you have any questions, if you have any concerns. Don't forget we have rehearsal tonight from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. It's going to be important that we take and get everything going tonight. It's our last chance to rehearse before we go to tomorrow night's game. Remember, tomorrow night you're going to need to take and be at the band hall between 5 p.m. and 5:15 p.m. You need to make sure you have tennis shoes or marching shoes for that. We will have your shirts and shorts in. We will pass them in. Once we go through our temperature checks, you will take and sit down in your spots like normal, and we'll start getting out those shorts and shirts. If you think of any questions, if you have something concern-wise, you can take and message me or put something in Google Classroom. Please, please, please make sure we get that assignment completed today through Sight Reading Factory. If you're having any issues, please, please, please make sure you take and send me a message. Thanks.